Open your browser and go to kali.org. Click on Download button. Here, we will select Virtual Machines. Click on the Recommended button. Let us now download the Kali Linux VirtualBox image. The file is a compressed 7Z file. We need to download 7-zip to extract the VirtualBox image. Go back to the browser and search for 7-zip. Click on 7-zip.org. Look for the Windows 64-bit and click on the download link. When the download is completed, let's install 7-zip. After the installation is completed, go to the download folder and let's extract Kali Linux archive file. Right-click on the file, go to 7-zip, then select Extract here. Now open the extracted folder Kali Linux 2022.3 VirtualBox AMD64. Now we see two files here. As you can see on the right column, there's a column name type. Look for the file with the type VirtualBox machine. Open that file. Your VirtualBox manager will open, and if you look on the left sidebar, you will now see the Kali Linux virtual machine. Now let's check some settings. Click on Settings. As you can see, the required base memory, processor and video memory has already been set. And now, let's start Kali Linux VirtualBox. The default username is Kali and password is Kali. You have now successfully installed your Kali Linux OS. Let's make it full screen just to make it cool. I hope this helps. Please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.